Yo, what's up everyone? The market had a pretty bad day again today, and it's been kind of crapping itself for the past week, and I'll show you why in a second. So, many people were talking about this falling wedge right here, and I believe a lot of people were, and me myself included. I was actually betting on playing this, so let me actually turn the support level like right about there, and I mean I drew it like this, something like that, and just imagine if this part wasn't here. So we had 1, 2, 3 touches, but it failed because the overall trend is still downward because it broke out of the symmetrical triangle, and there are people that are drawing it like this now, but I think once a pattern fails the first time around, like this doesn't look right anymore. So I like to just completely ignore it and play off the levels, and that's what I've been doing. So let me zoom in here on the 1 hour. So I entered a short right here because this level right here, we hit this, had a false break, came back up, formed this bull flag right there, and we shot up, and then we hit this level right here and moved sideways for a little bit. So that's how you can tell that we're about to go down, because if we wouldn't be rejecting from this level if we had intentions of moving upwards. So we went down, closed my short right about here, tried to catch this this bottom right here. I think I had a level right here too, but I deleted it for some reason. Oh no, I was trying to play the falling wedge, so I think I tried to catch it like right around here at 7,500. Oh no, I tried to catch it at 77 and fell through to 76, and that's where I cut my losses. And I'm waiting on getting a entry. If I zoom in, I'm waiting on getting an entry probably around here at this level. Once it retests, I'm gonna short again, I think, and because it does look like it's gonna break this level right here. And if I get off the auto, the next support level is at 6K that I can see. So let me get on the daily. I'll show you why. So we this level is, I hope you can see where I drew it. So we had a bounce right here, we had a bounce right here, kind of rejected a little bit from here, but it kept going, and then we had a bounce. So levels, they don't always, so it's kind of confuses a lot of people. So let me get over there actually. Sorry. So oh, my computer's lagging. Okay, so as you can see, this level right here, it's accurate because, you know, we had the wick, and many people, this confuses them. They think that, you know, levels are always supposed to be accurate, and actually, let me see something. Actually, it looks like we have a level like probably around here, because we had this bounce, this bounce, this bounce, and then we kind of had a false break, and then we retested, and then we came down, and then this one almost touched, and this one almost touched. Doesn't mean that this isn't in confirmation, but it does give it a little bit of, you know, I wouldn't play off this, but at the same time, you know, it is what it is. That's not a confirmation, but you can see that it is still a level because we had these two touches and the touches right here. So I forget what I was going off about, but yeah, so we have a level right here and a level right here, and then our next one is at 6K because we had this wick touch down to 6K, and that's just really what you do in these crashes. I found it's a lot better to just take a short at a really nice support resistance level and just wait it out, you know. and close your short at another strong level. Try to catch the bottom. If it doesn't, then you'll get over it, I guess, right? And actually see the one I just marked. Sorry if you can hear my dogs like fighting downstairs. I don't know what to do about it. I'll try to cut it out if you can hear it in the audio. But so as you can see, we had the level that I just marked. It bounced right here, so I didn't even see that. Yeah, so if we fall through this, we should hit a bounce at around 67, and then we should have another bounce at around 6K. And that's really like all my TA. People try to get these Elliott waves or whatever, like I found those things don't work really. If you use them then they work for you, then so be it. But everyone knows that support and resistance works, so why not just use that, As for Ethereum, we broke through this major level. I'll try to count how many times I'm saying level in this video. So we had this bull flag, and then seems like we touched something right here at 40.50 or 4.50, and so let's see if there's any confirmation of that. No, it doesn't look like right here, but looks like there is one right there at around 400. And you can see that because we had a touch right here, and we had this bull flag kind of respect it too as well. And if we fall through that, let's see, probably like right there. Right there would be good. And then also it looks like right here, there's got to be one. And I think that's it, really. There's probably one like right there. We almost touched right there, so probably like maybe right there. Just take the average of both of them. And yeah, that's what you should be expecting for Ethereum, unless we have some sort of reversal pattern, which I'll keep an eye out for. No, it doesn't look like that's one. We're just really in free fall mode. Let's go on Litecoin. And there's obviously a level right there. I think I marked these already actually. So, oh yeah, I didn't even look. So it bounced right there. You can see right there. There. The main thing that is easy to spot is these wicks. So you can see it wicked right there because of these touches. It bounced up and then it came down again. The wicks are the easiest ones to really find. So it wicked right there, so you mark one right there, and right here, and kind of right there, probably right there too. And yeah, that's how easy it is. You just get an eye for it and just catch these bounces, So it does look like if Litecoin falls through this, then we're going to be hitting about 105 probably. And with that, that's probably around what we would hit when we hit 6K. Right here. Probably when Bitcoin hits 6K, that's when we're going to see Litecoin hit 105. We're probably gonna hit this along the way too. 121. And those are my support and resistance levels. So I think that's gonna be it to close out the video. Let's see, what can I spot on the short term? Well, what we can spot right here on the RSI is that we are getting pretty close to the RSI right here before we dropped. And as I was saying, I might enter a short about right here, which I might have just, missed my entry, but stuff happens. If I see it gapping down, then I'll just enter a short and just ride it out. And that's really all you should be doing, just riding the wave. If you need a link
to how to short Bitcoin, just check the description. There's a referral link to BitMEX. You get reduced commissions, and you get reduced commissions on BitMEX if you use my referral. Which honestly, the reduction isn't that much, but I mean, good to save money either way, you know. So with that being said, I think that's going to be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment because it helps out, and see you next time.